If your finches have paired up but they're not laying eggs, or if they're laying weak eggs with very few chicks hatching, this video is exactly for you. I'm going to share 10 golden practical tips that can double the breeding success of your finches. So if you're really looking for results, stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal secrets that very few breeders know. And don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell right now so you don't miss any of these powerful tips. Key: the 10 golden tips. Tip 1. Choose mature, ready pairs. Finches under 6 months old usually aren't hormonally ready. The male should be singing actively, and the female should be lively, energetic, and constantly moving around. Tip 2. Quarantine and health check. Never put a new bird directly into the breeding cage without quarantine. Hidden parasites, fungal infections, or diseases can ruin everything, even if the bird looks healthy. Tip 3. Special pre-breeding diet. Sprouted seeds, boiled egg, grated carrot, calcium, and multivitamins are vital. Strong birds produce strong eggs and strong chicks. Thumbs up if this video is useful so far. Give it a like right now. And tell me in the comments, how many times have your finches paired and how successful were they? Tip 4. A calm, stress-free environment. Loud noises, too much light, or constant handling can stop finches from laying eggs even if they're fully ready. A quiet, cozy corner is best. Tip 5. Proper breeding cage. The cage shouldn't be too small. Your bird should feel secure but also be able to make short flights. And don't forget properly spaced perches. Tip 6. Correct nesting setup. Always use a proper nest and clean nesting fibers like jute. The nest must be clean and dry. Some males even get stimulated to breed once they start nest building. Tip 7. Natural light stimulation. Daily light cycles regulate breeding rhythms. Aim for about 12 hours of light and 12 hours of darkness. Never leave the light on overnight. Tip 8. Compatible pairs. Sometimes two healthy adults just don't bond. If after 10 to 15 days there's no sign of pairing or nest building, swap the pair. Tip 9. Boost with natural supplements. Crushed eggshell, apple, sprouted mung beans, and flax seeds are excellent natural boosters before egg laying. Tip 10. Patience, patience, patience. Every pair has its own rhythm. Some start laying quickly, some take longer. Just give them the right environment and enough time, and they'll show their full potential. If you follow these 10 golden tips carefully, you'll absolutely see great results. Finches are amazing birds. They just need the right chance to shine. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which of these tips was new for you, or share your own breeding experiences. Your answer might actually help another breeder. And if this video was useful, please support me with a like and subscribe so I can make more videos for you. Thanks for staying with me until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.